this stream. Cool. Oh, Chris Nova, you dropped? Oh, nice. So I guess when I was ZMAP scanning, it dropped my RTMP stream, which would make sense. Looks like the stream is back. Cool. Needless to say, well, we're no longer DDoSing our servers, and we're no longer ZMAP scanning. And if y'all missed it, I had a really great lecture on ZMAP, and we found a live that you actually saw. It doesn't find a vulnerability though, it just finds reports and open ports, right? Yeah, if you want to actually find vulnerabilities, you have to do a little bit more digging, and there's tools for that as well. -- basically nothing. Yeah, so anyway, I'm sorry I messed it. Okay, so basically what I was saying with ZMAP, I'll go back and I'll repeat myself. Basically what ZMAP does is it just sends a single SYN packet out to a server. If we hear anything back, it basically says there's something listening on the port. And it only sends it on one port, but it sends it to all IP addresses. And there's like some math and some like it does some interesting trace routing things to like figure out which IP addresses to scan first and so forth. So anyway, what I did just a moment ago that y'all missed was basically I do ZMAP P. I did port 8080 because I was just saying if port 8080 is open, we should probably be having other conversations. Meaning that like whoever has port 8080 exposed, like something else is probably going on. So then I outputted that to temp, and then I outputted that to zmap.csv. And so I did that, and if we go to temp, you can see I actually found this zmap.csv. I think it was this one. We found out was actually a real life service. We're not gonna go and do anything with it because we want to be ethical. But you can see that ZMAP quickly allowed me to like find a real server in the wild. So here we go. So here's this 87.249.157 whatever. We have no idea what this is. It could be a router, it could be, looks like it's a Hikvision IP camera. Cool. We totally found a Hikvision IP camera. Right, and I bet if we go Hikvision IP camera, default username and password, admin and password 123456, you know, it's ethically, you can't do something like this, right? So like you can't like go and it's actually illegal for you to like access a computer system that's not yours. So like I can't, you know, there's nothing I can do here, right? There's like there's no way for me to like go and do this ethically, and like I don't want to be like a black hat hacker, you know what I mean? So we don't access things that don't belong to us. That's not a thing we do on this show. So anyway, but yeah, so you just, you know, be mindful of it. Anyway, so we're back to our base here, and so we were enumerating our HTTP endpoints. And one of the things that we said was we noticed that there are some strange behavior here with our contact form. And we also noticed there's a login, username and password. So let's go to inspect, and we'll do username, admin. These hack the box things, they love to be like, just use a well-known password, and you're just like, that's how you're supposed to get the password, and it's like really fucking annoying because it's like not actual hacking. Okay, so this says wrong username or password, and let's go to our network now, and let's Let's see what we got. So response. Let's do root admin. Wrong username or password. Here we go. So we get this alert, wrong username or password. And there's got to be, where's our form? It's in here somewhere. Here you go. Method post, form action. So this will actually post. Input type email, name is email. And oh, that's join our newsletter. Here we go. This is the one, password. So there is a form ID, login form. Action is this. So action 0 means just run on this page. It's a post. It's a role form. We have username. And we have password. And this is login.php. So we should be able to do and username equals beeps and username and password equals boops, and then we change this, make that. So that's a GET request, which it doesn't actually execute anything on the back end. So we know we can post to it, which is nice. And we know we have the subscribe here. And we can also try to find, because remember we tried to enumerate earlier. HTTP enumerate base.htp. We'll see what we get here. So we're really looking for status 200 down here. So you see all these 301s. This is working from the upload.php, but we're really looking for like 301 here. So the other thing we can do, so earlier we had form/contact.php. Another thing that you could sometimes do on these Apache servers, so Apache is really known for like this old feature of like called directory indexing. And you can use sometimes, like if y'all have y'all ever seen like the Arch Linux download? Let me show you an example of one really quick. So like Arch Linux download. Sometimes these are actually turned on deliberately. So like if you go to like let's find a good one. We'll go to the Iceland one because I know who runs that. Cool. So this is an example of like an Apache server doing like a directory index. And you can see that like this is by design. This is like well advertised. But so the way that you access it is you basically just like treat it like it's a file system. So you can actually go up a directory here and you can like actually like poke around. Right? It's like you're navigating. See how it's like you're navigating somebody's file system here. Sometimes these websites, see how we have /forms? There's like a setting in Apache where you can like list directories like this. See? So fully working PHP Ajax contact form script is available in the Pro version of the template. This is our first clue. You can buy it from this. One page multi-purpose bootstrap template. Cool. So what did we just find out? We just found out it's running Bootstrap, and we found out like what they're running on the back end. So what else do we have? We have context.php. We have parent directory, which is here. And then there's also login. So you just add the trailing slash to the end. And we have, oh, there's config.php. What is config.php? And what is, I don't know what this is. Let's see. I feel like we're getting clues. So we go to downloads and let's at, what was it? Login.php.swap. Ah. Cool. And can I also download save link as login.php and then cat login.php. Okay, so this is interesting. So the login.php is the actual, so if you know how PHP works, this is the rendered HTML. And if you look at the login.php.swap, there's actually PHP embedded in here. So you can see there's this like wrong username or password, if string copy, blah, blah, blah. This is the post request. So I bet we can actually get like some information out of here, and we can probably figure out a way to break into this thing just from reading the code. So wrong username or password. Session user ID equals 1. So where is... This looks like we can set session user ID equals 1. This just looks weird, right? We have like a doc type, print, script, alert, wrong username, password. So this is what we see. That is what we see here. When we go to base.http/login.php, right? When we do like a bad username or password, that little pop-up we see there is like here, right? Script alert, wrong username or password, that matches there. Else print, but like where is the first? Like what is this here? Let's see if we can't get anything out of Hexel. So this is definitely binary code. Root in base. var dub html login.php. So is it root in base maybe? Oh, I thought that was gonna work. I really thought that was gonna work. So this is method is equal to post login.php. I don't know what this swap file is. I've never heard of a swap file before. The other thing that's interesting here is we basically else print wrong username or password. Otherwise, header location upload PHP, string compare password to post password equals 0, require config.php. Let's look at config.php. Where was that at? So that is forms. Was it contact.php? It was config.php. Okay, I'm done with this GoBuster command. Hold on. So let's pkill f GoBuster. And let's go to temp and let's. There's literally nothing there. Let's try PHP as some server side disable the debug PHP. The debug PHP source dump. You're saying go. Could be an editor crash buffer. Perhaps can rescue into full, says Twitch. I'm not even reading the chat. Let's see what y'all are saying. I would paste the code into a pretty formatter online so it's easier to read. Swap files are just old copies of the same file to undo or restores. It's a memory dump by Vim as a backup, says Douglas. Vim-r swap. Interesting. How can I recover the original from a swap file? Vim-r swap. I don't use. Okay, let's move our login.php to temp. So you're saying we vim our login PHP. Never forget that. Yo, I don't want you to ever fucking forget what you just saw. I want you to remember. I want that shit. I'm just reading about swap files. Open swap file memory dump. How to extract the crash dump of a swap file. Okay, so here's what can be found in a swap file. Okay, so this looks like it's a Linux swap file. So okay, so here's what's interesting. This music is bothering me. Hold on. Sorry. Here, so this article here. Where did it go? This one. Chunks of data of a file you could have accessed and could be detected. And then so this is like actually saying it's like an actual like swap file. It's possible to replace the password with a file. Swap on. So this is all like this. I feel like this is like Linux. Like, I don't know. I don't think there's anything here. For sure, a Vim swap. I'm not going to download Vim, you guys. It's not going to happen. It's basically a half open file in Vim. Got it. Hard stance, I love it. Just strings it, says Vancouver. What would strings do? Is the question. Yes, swap is created when you are in the middle of modifying a file and exit without saying. So swap is like my Emacs files that I clean. Dump all strings in a file. Can't we get that with Hexel though? Cat login php dash cat type to strings. Well, this is much more beautiful. Is this what vim-r? Where the wait says Iggy? Yeah, I know I make fun of PHP. Okay. I am not seeing... This is our footer. Like, our PHP isn't even in here anymore, you guys. Oh, hold on. Cat login.php.swap piped strings. Okay, so this is like at least formatted. See, this is what I'm saying. Root and base. So I think what this is supposed to tell me is this person has the file open up in Vim right now. I think that's what I'm hearing. I think this is the root user, and I think, because like I don't think root and base is gonna work. We already tried that. I don't think that's gonna work. But at least we know where on the server it is. I don't know what this 3010 here is. And so, I mean, this at least kind of shows us that, like, Really, we just want to get this session start. PHP. If not empty, post username, and not empty, post password. Session start. Print. Header location. Upload.php. So this I know from my PHP days, this just adds a header to the current post. And so this is setting session user ID is equal to 1. So I wonder if I can just actually just try that. Let's do this. What was it? It was root base and view page source. Oh, god damn it, Nova Pants. God damn it, Nova Pants. Inspect. Inspect. Root and base. Log in. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, so then we go to our betworky here. Cool. And here's our wrong username or password. Okay, so we basically copy. It has curl. And we'll emacs curl.sh. We'll get rid of this whole thing, and then we'll do echo. Boom. Okay, so this is what we have here, and password is equal to base. And I think we also do, and what was it? It was user ID, right? Strings. Oh, bro, my god. Bro, my god. There. Where was it? So, and user ID is equal to 1. So it basically, if it's already set to 1, maybe there's something above this if statement here that we just don't see that will just return like an existing session. I don't know. So I think what we do is we basically do user ID equals 1. And then we curl.sh. That work? This is where we really need Burp Suite. We're in, easy, we're in, right? It redirects to upload PHP by setting location on a successful login. We're in. This doesn't look like upload.php. This looks like login.php. Try accessing it directly in the browser to access upload.php. Yeah, and so we're just back here again. Yeah. Let's grab Burp Suite. Yay, SY, Burp Suite. Maybe that 4-digit number is the password? Let me install this, because Burp Suite, we can intercept it, that's like the thing to do. So it was cat.swap type to strings. You think it's root this thing? Oh, that's the user ID or something. That's a Linuxy thing. That's not a password. See, that'd be cool if it was though. What if it's what if it's base root? Dang it, I thought that was gonna work. Root user ID is 1. No, root user ID is 0. And usually users start with 1000. I don't know what that is. Maybe the inode? I meant in this app because it checks for it. If string compare. No, this is just because it's the string compare, right? String compare password is equal to the post password. So where does it get password from? Right? Require if string compare password post password is equal to false. If string compare username post username equals to false, require config.php. I think it's the PID of the Vim process that was running. That's actually probably the most realistic. So the question was, what is config.php? So this was form/contact.php, which was, this was a broken PHP file. So we then had login config.php, and this is a file, but there's nothing here, right? It just like, it does, you have to like post data to it basically. It's got to be something with this, these two things right here. Let's look at PHP string compare. String 1, string 2. Returns -1 if string 1 is less than string 2. 1 if string 1 is greater than string 2. And 0 if they are equal. So, hello, string compare is not equal to a case sensitive string compare. Okay, so here's some examples. So string compare, the string 5 to 5 is equal to 0. Null and false. Is there a local username or variable there? No, it looks like it's coming from config.php, which we do not have access to. So if we set it to empty string, it returns 0. If we set it to false, it returns 0. Can I set it to null and false? Where's my burp suite? Oh God. Maybe double equal versus triple equal. It's using 2, so it will coerce types. Can you use XSS on config.p? I don't think so. What is XSS? Cross-site scripting on config PHP at all? I mean, I don't think so. I mean, we could try like PHP. I mean, how would we even pass like reverse directories to place it where it shouldn't be? Passing null, like you said, might result in being coerced to 0. This is what I was thinking. So I think, so it was username is equal to null and password equals null, right? Wrong username or password. Mm-hmm. Can I do... Where do you take this pen test exercise? Null is the string would not string comp as the type. Password empty. Password might get the coercion to false. Passing empty password. Okay, so... And really, like, I don't even know if doing this in curl is actually gonna work, though. I feel like this is like... I feel like that worked, right? Like, I feel like that's logging in. Let's try to actually... Let's try to do this. Hold on. Please fill out this field. So it's the JavaScript that's preventing us from doing this here. Let's... How are we going to do this in the browser and bypass the JavaScript? You feel me? Let's... Oh, I had to fix this on my laptop. So let's do web console. Hold on. I want to get Burp Suite working. Let's do this. Let's go to yay ss jdk grep is I installed. Cool. Let's remove all of these. JRE 8 open JDK headless. We'll just actually just do this really quick. I'm gonna have to do this like once a year. I guess that time is tonight on a Friday night. Java home bin Java. Eli to the rescue. Oh, nice. Thanks, HMS. That won't deal with dependencies. Yeah. That worked, not error alert. Turn off the JS. So this is what I'm saying. How do you turn off the JS, right? That's what I want to know. Inspect. I guess we can Google it. Dev tools, right click the page, select inspect, start typing JavaScript, disable JavaScript and press enter to run the command. So hold on. Okay, so this says you basically go here and you do preferences, enable JavaScript. Open Chrome DevTools. Browser site settings to disable JavaScript. Control Shift P. So hold on. No. It's in the debugger. Oh, we can get the call stack. There's all kinds of stuff we can do here. I have no idea how to do this in Brave, you guys. I guess we can just try like the general. Here we go. Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. Sure. So. And of course, now that it's not using JavaScript. So you have to use it to get here. I'm gonna fix Burp Suite because I know we can do this in Burp Suite way easier. Okay. Sudo e emacs node. What was it? User bin Burp Suite. Yeah. Okay. Exec java minus jar user share Burp Suite. Here we go. Please check your let's see what it asks us. Here we go. I think we want JDK 17. How do you know? Let's do 19 maybe? This is all just fucking horrible to me. I just can't believe I'm doing all of this. Why is Burp Suite written in Java? I guess we do this one, JDK 17 Open JDK. Sure, why not? Here we go, JDK, Open JDK. to use Arch Linux Java. So burp suite. The burp suite install. So let's do this then. So let's why do I keep typing yar? Which Java? User bin Java? I think it detected an old Java version. Yeah, it's because I'm running like old Java for like all this other stuff, which is why like yay-r. So you know what I can do? I can do yay r open jdk. So yay ss jdk grep I installed. Cool. So we're gonna do this again. Sets up alternatives or something. Force Java end as... No, I think I just want to do this. So let's do this. JRE 11 open JDK. I'm in JDK. Oh my god. Java runtime headless. Did I spell it wrong? Required by PDFTK. There we go. PDF. Okay, Java Hamcrest, Java Commons, Lang, and BC Prov. JUnit. There we go. Do it. Nice. Okay, fuck yeah. So now we can yar sy burp suite, and it should just tell us what it wants to do. Oh, you're so sexy. Wait, what? What did the, hold on, I want to see what it said. You're so sexy when you're hacking. Run those yay commands. No, you're fine. It doesn't matter. I think it's funny. So we're gonna do 2. You're all good. Mm-hmm. Thank you for the subscription. Hey, look at that. Burp Suite Community Edition. And then let's see if we can't yay sy unify. There's our JRE 11 open JDK. I might have to get a new unified thing, but we'll see. They timed me out for my truth. It's okay. My mods love me. I seriously have great mods. We have amazing mods. So let's burp suite here. So I think what we do is here we go. So we can't use the fancy one, so we have to use this. Here we go. So I think there's a dark mode, which obviously we want to do. There we go. Okay, so I think we close this and then we go to dashboard. So this is, you'll watch people who are like really good at Burp Suite. I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy, pal. You're not that guy, buddy. I'm not that Burp Suite friend. Okay, so let's go to burp. Okay, and I think we do intruder, no, proxy. Interceptor is off, interceptor is on. So we open our browser now. So hold on, let's close this. Now open browser. Here we go. Okay, so this is the Burp Suite browser. So it is base.htb/login/login.php. Okay. So we go here. Oh my god, bro. I don't know why it's not. Yeah, it's there. It's going to intercept a buff of traffic to Google since the first request accidentally went there. Okay, so then does it conflict with OpenVPN? It shouldn't, so let's turn it back on and open browser and we can, there it goes. And we'll try. Welcome to base. Oh, pause the traffic for a review. So how do I like accept it or whatever? Oh, hold on. So okay, so now it's working. So basically, here's what we do. So we do admin base, and then we turn intercept on, and then we hit login. Okay, so here we go. So we think if we just do this. Now, how do I actually, where's like the send it button? Oh, it's forward. That's what you do. You do forward. Okay, and so that didn't work. And then I think there's a way you can do, hold on. So you do admin base, and then you do login with intercept on, okay? Then you can, there's a repeater. This is the thing, Control R. This is the hacker pro move here. Okay. So now you just get to basically just try to repeat the request over and over again. This is why Burp Suite is so awesome. I'm gonna pay for it. Well, maybe I'm gonna try to find one that's not written in Java or build my own, but y'all know how I roll. Okay, so this is where we think admin, we said, is equal to false and password is equal to false. We think this can work. And so now we do send. And then we get an HTTP 200, but we still get a wrong username or password. Okay. But at least now we can like try stuff. Is that browser Chrome or Brave? So that's Chromium. This is Brave. This is what I was using when I was just hacking. Empty password worked last time, I think. We already tried empty password. I mean, I could do this. Like empty string. Wrong username or password. So where is... We had this in Hexel, or not in Hexel, in this thing. So this is what we're looking at this. If the username might be admin, but the password being empty might work because empty should be none to PHP. Admin? Why do you think admin? Don't you mean root? Don't you mean root? I'm confused where you got admin from. Try both. Ah, root then. See, this looks like it worked. So how do I get this in my browser now? It did work. But like there's no flag here. Render tab. See, I don't think it worked. Right? I think that yeah, I think this just returns back to the home page here. No, hold on, you guys. Y'all are fucking with my head. Hold on. So we're getting this. So otherwise, actually we're getting this. Else. Let me, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm not gonna do what everybody thinks I'm gonna do and freak the fuck out. Hold on. Hold the fuck on, I have an idea. All right, so let's go to new project. Oh, sorry, not new project, cancel. So we're just gonna open up my home directory. How do I... Whatever, just open something. No, I think the source code is just out of order. I just want to reorder it. So lowercase c line. Okay, so that did that. So let me open up C line again. Here we go. There it goes. Okay. So let me... Right, like I feel right, like if we trust these indentions, I think that like this line goes here, right? And this line goes here. And this line goes here. See how it's actually starting to look like it's like the right thing? Why that looks strange? Why is that? Because it's like it's the right amount of curly braces, right? Like, because like when you look at it here, right? Like the fact that it just starts with a curly brace is so fucking weird. So I think that it's like just out of order for some reason. Probably some weird shit Vem's doing. So then where is else print? So you're saying it's in reverse order. So that would be... I'm sure there's a way to do this on the command line. That looks more like PHP code, doesn't it? Okay. If post username and post password are not empty, then it requires PHP config. So there's something in this PHP config that is, this is like probably where it's reading the username and passwords or something. Okay. So now we have username, which is likely coming from whatever this file is. And we string compare that to post username, and that equals 0. And then we get the same thing for post password equals 0. So I feel like what this is really telling me, these two lines are whatever we pass for username and password, if there is some weird string compare something we can do, it's going to be the same for both. Like the same, like if we can pass false for both of them or something, it's going to work for both of these checks because it's the exact same check. And then it basically, then it'll set the session variable user ID equal to 1, and it'll do upload.php, which this is just a 301 redirect. Otherwise it returns basically what we're saying now. Okay. So my guess is we can just inject something here to fail this check. The question is what? String cop. Is it string cop or what is it? What was it? Sorry, let's look. It was stir cop. Could you just set the user ID and then go to upload.php? I thought we tried that. Strict check versus loose check. Yeah, so it definitely is a like loose check, right? So like in PHP, there's like up to 4, which is like it's the exact same memory or whatever. So we need to make string comp return null. So yeah, so let's go look at this. Returns -1 if string 1 is less than string 2, and 0 if they are equal. I'm wondering if we can't do like this. No, because it has to be our username. So how do we make try password array equals turn username and password into array. So if you log in, post request, turn username array into whatever and password array equal to whoever. It's cheesy bug in PHP. There's very popular right outside the PHP type juggling. I'll try to find it. It says goomback. So you're saying if username is an array, string comp, any string and array will return 0. Need to put an empty string in the value to pass the empty check. So people are saying no. You set username equal to an array. And then the password equals to an array. No. It does not work. Type juggling. I don't see any. Bug number 1, the trick. The exploit. This is all in Laravel. Yeah, I don't see anything here. This is like all Laravel stuff. I don't think. Need to put an empty string in the value to pass the empty check. Let's go back to verb. Slide 34. Oh, okay. How would you use this function? You control post password. You can do anything to disrupt this check. Equals the password equals, how do you use this function? Do authenticated things. Instead of posting a password string, submit an array. String comp array, the password equals null. Okay, so this is, I tried this. I just tried this a second ago. Or are you saying declare password as an array? Oh. Why do I feel like this is gonna work? No, it did not work. Or are you saying I said I'd basically do this? No. There's a 302 now, it's trying to redirect you. Where do you see a 302? Oh, 302 found. It's handling the JavaScript page, right? So how to follow? Oh, right here, there's a follow redirection button. Base file upload. Logout.php, render. Admin file uploads. Okay, I think we're in. Okay, now where's the flag? I'm already done with this fucking stupid game. This is why I just want to work on like the other side of security. This is so obnoxious for me. Computers are hard enough when you're using them the right way. Upload.php easy. So do we upload like a reverse shell now? How do I open this in my browser or whatever? Yeah, that's usually how it goes. So let's upload a reverse shell and we can get in. How do I open this in my browser though? Show response in browser. Isn't there like that, what's that, like super easy PHP reverse shell? Oh, and I need to do the thing. Okay. So there's the hack tools thing. Hold on, let's find the PHP reverse shell. Here it is. So base RCE web shell. I thought there was like a... Here you go. Reverse shell.php down. Okay, so lecture files, reverse shell.php. Your file has been uploaded successfully. So now we do base.htb slash is it slash login? No. Uploads? No, upload. I've celebrated like 3 times already. Forms. Base.php dash upload slash reverse shell. It's not base.php, is it? You know what we could do is we could do, hold on. Oh, damn it. Let's log back in. Okay, so select your files to upload. And what we want to do here is we want to inspect. There we go. Your files have been uploaded successfully. Upload.php. Base.hackthebox slash upload.php. So now where did it go is the thing. So we want to see lecture upload. Where would it go is the question. Network. So we could do okay, so that was successful. So there's upload.php post review. Your file was uploaded. PHP session ID. .404. We could try and see if there's any, we could run our GoBuster command again and see if there's any. I feel like I want to close all this stuff. So dumb. See if there's any directories we missed. Can't you get upload PHP the same way you got login PHP? No, because it's just upload.php, right? Like, so it's just, hold on. Right, so it's just upload.php. So it's getting uploaded somewhere. So we could like try to trace it and see if we get anything. But like, it just says successfully uploaded. We just don't know where it's resolving. Are there some default directories there? Yeah, so we got the thing when we did dir busting the link. Yeah, we can try. So there's dir busting, or we can find, I can't even remember, I'm getting too tired. Where the file was. That was contact dot. It was here. It was in the forms. Hold on. It was forms/contact, or it was forms. This thing. Fully working PHP Ajax contact. So we could look and see one page multi-purpose bootstrap template upload directory. We could try upload. Or just try uploads. I already tried all that. I tried uploads and I tried it all. See, that's what I was doing right here. Uploads. No, I mean, that was like the first thing I tried. Let's try to dir bust it. Fuck it. Or what is it? No, we have to use the right words. It's HTTP enumeration. And let's actually cat ben HTTP enumeration. So let's do this. Go buster dir -u base.htb word list. So this is what we want to specify. Share sec list discovery. We'll do the big one. Directory. Web content. Directory list. dir search.txt, I guess. So we got a 200. We got a bunch of 403s. Let's see. How do I ignore these errors? So I think if I remember, hold on. So where was my cat command? So I can do this B thing. I think I do. B403, B404. Invalid URL escape sequence. Let's try a different list. So it was seclist. Discovery, web content, so we have directory list big, yeah, directory list 2, 3 big. Okay, so login worked. This is gonna take forever. This is literally gonna take forever. Let's go and back to our there we go. Okay. So let's inspect. Let's upload an empty file and see what we get, and see if it like says like we cannot blah 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 and put this in directory blank. It just tells me where it's going. The uploader download the template and see the defaults. Let's see. I didn't select one, and let's just see if we can't break it. Also, can I get, I wonder if there's an upload.php.swap. Forward. There's PHP email form. Bootstrap. There's an iframe. Rep. Here's HTTP Lightbox. Either through the... You can access your cloud storage with Base on your phone by using the Base app as long as your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. info@base.htb. We love iframes. I know. I don't know if I have the energy to go and break into an iframe right now. This is gonna take forever, you guys. Should I set a different timeout? How do I make GoBuster go faster? Okay, here you go. Number of concurrent threads. Host. Thank you for the follow. Let's try, let me grab my command again. We'll just let that one keep running and then we'll just try a different one. Let's see, so -H. So we'll say T is how many cores do I have on this thing? 16. Time each thread waits between requests. Where's dash dash fast? I mean, this one seems like it's going a little faster, right? We're already at 23. 23. We're at 24 and then 3 digits. Oh yeah, this is still going super slow. So 0.30%. This is at 2%. 0 milliseconds. Yeah, I don't know. Is the box dead? No, the box is up. We're getting 301s. Well, I guess assets, that's a 301. What's in assets? Maybe, I bet it goes to assets. Why the fuck didn't somebody say, Nova, go check assets? Base dot at hack the box slash assets reverse shell dot php. Why do I feel like this is gonna work? Damn it. Not found. Nova, go check assets. Let's just see if there's a listing here. Oh, man. Where would it upload to? JavaScript. Image. Team. Portfolio. This is all of their like stuff. Fonts. I don't think there's anything here. Where were the other ones we saw? Slash forms and slash login. So login is where we got the swap file. Forms is where we see this thing. And we've tried uploads. Content. Upload. Nothing. Data. Bye. Slamp says bye. See you later, Slamp. So that's 3.45%. This is just going so fucking slow. Wrapped small words dot text. Yeah, I can try it. Where do I get wrapped small words dot text? Checklist. I already have that, so let's see if we have it. Checklist, where would it be here? So this would be in web content. No, this is in discovery, web content. You think raft? Small directories.txt? Small directories or small words? Which one do you want to? I guess we can try both. This one's going way faster. Ooh, server status is a 403. Well, these are much more reasonable. I guess we'll just let the big one continue to run. Uploaded with an underscore. Are you fucking shitting me? Fucking stupid. It's fucking stupid. Oh well, hack the box easy level. That is just so ass. Yeah, I know. It's just so like... This is what I'm saying. So this is supposed to be the easiest level, hack the box. And I think this is level easy, difficulty, annoying as shit. Like not even fun. Like they're just laughing at me now. Okay, so why is this... It's unable to handle this request. So let's try to find a different PHP file. Let's do... Hold on. Let's grab hack tools. Here's Pony Shell. Hold on, let's go back to my thing. So no, it was this. Upload. Temp. Shell. And then we go, I can't believe it's fucking underbar uploaded. Shell.php, look at that. Okay, so let's see. It was, what was it? var dub. Where would the flag be? Root is bin bash with no password. Config.php. I don't see config.php. I mean, we're pretty much into the server at this point. Well, maybe it's in the home directory. John, here it is. Cat user.text. Oh my god, do we have to do a fucking privilege escalation now? I want to get out of this thing, so let's actually do a proper reverse shell, shall we? Is netcat on here? Is Python on here? Yeah, there's Python 3, so let's see. Well, I guess there's an SSH server, so can I actually just do this? Let's see. install bootkit on it. No. So here's our bash reverse shell. So let's get it back to my IP address, which IPA is this one. On port, hold on. And I think I have, don't I already have a reverse shell? Yeah. 9074. So hold on. And then we put 9, God, hold on. And then 9074, copy, and then I think we go here. And okay. Sudo bash. Dang it. Hold on. Let's try this again. Okay. So let's try to stabilize this a little bit more. Inappropriate ioctl. Let's do shell stabilization. Using SOCAT. So I keep doing this, so let's echo term dumb. So export shell is equal to bash. So we're logged in as www data, and we want to go to, we said home John cat user text, and we know there's a pseudo binary, so I think we can do privilege escalation, and at least we have a somewhat decent shell here. So this is supposed to be, hold on. Okay, and then how it closes on me. So then we can do this. Background the shell using Control Z. Oh. Where's 9074? Here. Netcat. Sudo pkill -f in cat. And then reverse shell 9074. Bro, okay, hold on. We're gonna take a quick break. I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. So let's get this killed. Sudo e bash pkill -f in cat. Where's my incat that's now defunct? And I guess it's gonna look like this. It's gonna be sudo e grep rev. There it is. Kill -9, this one. There we go. There it is. So now we can reverse shell 9074. Go back to our pony shell, wherever you were, here. And we can let's try this one more time. Oh. Here we go. Okay. So now, privilege escalation. I'm gonna find a good example. Okay. So we had login. So this is the config.php with our username and password. So I'm wondering, can I do this now? base.htb/login. Can I now do username as admin with this and actually get admin rights? And then how did we So then we go with this session to, what was it? Uploaded / shell.php as a different user. And run our reverse shell here. No, we're still www data. I don't know. I'm running out of ideas, you guys. What do you think? I don't really want to do a SUID binary exploit tonight. I've already written C once today. This is just getting obnoxious. Let's you could find all the stuff you have write access to on disk. No, it's got to be in that user text file, and there's a reason you can't access it, because it wants me to like do something else. That's like how these stupid fucking things work. So I was originally gonna try to SSH in as John, but I couldn't act, like if you remember, hold on, I was going to, let me start my reverse shell. I was gonna try to add my key. So if I go to home and I go to John and I list, so like there's cat profile, right? And I just don't see. There's bash rc. This is just John's like thing, right? I guess we could try to SSH as admin with that password. So SSH admin at base hack the box with, what was our password? Login cat config.php. No. Nice. Still can't sudo, but I bet I can I cat user.text? I bet that's the flag. That's how every one of these stupid fucking flags works. Let's go see what we did. Okay. Hack the box. Which two TCP ports were opened on the host? 80 and 22. Submit answer. Oh, it logged me out, of course. Easy, says based plant. Yeah, totally easy. That was totally a normal, very easy one. See, this is like, this makes me feel like I'm totally not a pen tester. Like that took me like 4 hours to do. So this was 22 and 80. check. Okay, so what's the URL for the login page? So this was /login/login.php. And this usually tells you if you, how like you did it, like if you like found it the right way or whatever. Hiya says made a construct. Hey, what's up? How many files are present in the login directory? 3, I think. Sure. What is the extension of a swap file? Which PHP function is used in the backend code to compare? That was stir. In which directory were the uploaded files stored? Yeah, they were uploaded with an underbar, and of course it says uploaded here, which I never would have fucking guessed. Sorry for ranting. Okay. Which user exists on the remote host with a home directory? John. What's the password used for the present on the system? var www html login. This is a good password. What is the full path to the command that the user John can run as root on the remote host? I have no idea. Sudo? So we could do bi sudo. What's like a Linux command that ends with a D? On D? Let's see what it says. Run the sudo L to check the commands that the user has. Interesting. I had no idea. Oh, so that's our password. Hold on. So sudo L. This is a good password. Find. User bin find. Oh, I had no idea you could do that. I mean, it makes sense. What action can the find command use to execute commands? Exec. And then submit the root flag, which we think was cat user.text. Submit user flag and then submit the root flag. Okay, so how do you do privilege escalation with find? So sudo find exec. Let's see. So then we basically do exec. Let's try. There you go. Sudo find home exec bin bash backslash this. There you go. That was a good one. Kind of lame that they threw that pseudo find thing in at the end. That was, I don't know. How do you guys rank that one? That one felt really weird to me. I don't know if I liked it. Here's my use here at the end. This is this one. For those of you interested in it. And then of course it's already offline. Good game. Thanks. It's bedtime. It's been real, everyone. It's bedtime. We can raid GitHub, or we can raid Bash Bunny, or we can raid Bob Ross. What do y'all want to do? I liked a good game. Thanks, everyone. Good morning. Hey, Malte. How's it going? We just broke into a PHP server. Malte. It was super fun. But good morning to you, sir. It's always Suid, says Based Plant. It is always Suid. So yeah, I have to go to bed. It's my bedtime. It's very late for me. I had a few hours of sleep. Good job, Malte. Good job. So we can raid Bash Bunny. Oh, I don't think we could raid GitHub. We can try to raid GitHub. Do you think we can raid GitHub? Let's see. GitHub's raid settings do not allow you to raid them at this time. I'll let y'all pick. Bash, here, we can look together. We can do, we can do Bash Bunny 9.5. 9.5 is just chatting. Do y'all want to go talk to 9.5? We can watch 8BitD play Final Fantasy. Oh, excuse me. We can see what's morale per? Sounds like a C++ Skyrim mod. Reverse engineering x86 assembly. I think we're gonna raid this person. Are they in English?
And I'll show you what it actually looks like. But you don't have to stick around for it, but it's cool. If you've got an address here, you've got your address, and it has some stuff after it. This won't be.
You want to watch some reverse engineering?
1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 6.
Mm-hmm.
That's not really the way that things work. But...
Let's see, Ghoul Babe. I just like to explore Twitch sometimes. I can just like sit here and comment on people's Space Quest. Time enjoyed. I'm not fussed. Come and chat decide. Let's look into software and game development and see. Data is beautiful. So there's GitHub. That's me, Nova After Dark. I want to watch RE. So who's RE? Reverse engineering? Okay, we'll do it. Here you go. Make it happen. Cool. All right, I'm out of here, y'all. Have a good night. Sweet dreams. We'll see you next time. I love you all.
you've got these 4, 5, 6, 7 opcodes, right?